Many girls, as I'm a father of my own girls and the father of girls of Marakwet East, Honorable Speaker. Mr. Speaker, Madam Speaker, sorry, if you go to the constituencies we come from, especially the remote areas where we come from, our young girls, Madam Speaker, many of them, they have dropped the school because of just a simple reason of lack of sanitary pads. So, Madam Speaker, I want to support our members of parliament, the female members of parliament here in this case, that our girls must be provided with sanitary pads, given that this parliament passed budget for sanitary pads. 940 million, Madam Speaker. If that is the case, Madam Speaker, and our girls are going without sanitary pads, the CS for Education and the PS Education, or the gender, the ministry concerned, Madam Speaker, must appear before this House and tell us what happened with the monies we appropriated for sanitary pads for our girls. I want to assure our female colleagues here that as male men members of parliament here, we are supporting you 100% in this one.
Thank you. Thank you, Honorable Kangogo. And this issue came